Slope-intercept form of an equation of straight line. See everyone, whenever we have a straight line and we have to represent the straight line, so either we are representing the straight line graphically or we can represent the straight line algebraically, okay, algebraically. So we are using these forms to represent the equation of a straight line algebraically. So earlier in the two previous videos, we have discussed about two forms. So one is the point slope form, okay, whenever there is a fixed 1 point on the straight line, and the second form we have done is the 2 point form, okay, 2 point form. So when we have 2 points, two fixed point on the straight line, but right now here there is no fixed point, okay. So here we have the slope which is equals to m. What is slope? Slope is an angle which the straight line is making with the positive x-axis. This is positive x-axis part. And intercept, what is the meaning of intercept? Intercept is nothing, it's just the point only, but it is on the axis, not in the quadrant, okay. So if we will see, the straight line is cutting this y-axis. Intercept, we are talking about the point on the y-axis, right? So this line, straight line, is cutting this y-axis at this point. So we know that whenever we have a point on axis, if it is on the y-axis, then x is 0. If it is on the x-axis, then y is 0. So we have some value of y. So let's say this point is B, okay? The ordinate of this particular point is B. So this distance we have taken. Okay, this is B, right? Now, what we will do, we will take a fixed point on the straight line, fixed point. So let's say this fixed point I have taken. Sorry, it's not a fixed point. We have to take a random point, okay? Random point on a straight line. So let's take a point A, a random point A. The coordinates of that point is x comma y, correct? Now, if we will see the slope here, what is slope? We know that what is the formula for the slope? Slope is m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? If you will see, this value is what? If I will see according to point A, the distance from x-axis, how much? This distance particularly from the x-axis, so this is what, y, and the distance from the y-axis, we know that this distance I'm talking about, this is parallel to this, so this distance I have taken as x. So if I will apply this formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus y1. So what is y2? The next value on the y-axis, which is first is b, and then we have y. So y minus b over, what is the next value of x? So this is the next value of x, okay? And we start from here because intercept I am taking where x is 0. So x minus 0 is equals to m. So m is equals to y minus b over x. So if I will take x2 with the m, so it is mx. So y is equals to mx plus b, okay? So this is the slope-intercept form of an equation of straight line. So please remember the formula for the slope, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 and x2 and y1 and x1 you will get from the points. Either it is a running point or it is a fixed point. You have to see that. Here we are using the intercept. Intercept is also a point, but it is on the y-axis. And on the y-axis, the x is 0. And the ordinate we have taken B, C, whatever you want to take. And that's the formula. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.